Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for cooking with an Italian 100%. I'm Pier Di Lorenzo and today we're going to make a salami chocolate salami, and we need just easy and quickly to do. We need 200 grams dark chocolate, 170 grams dried biscuits, 150 grams sugar, orange juice, 150 grams butter, 2 eggs. Some recipe is with eggs, someone is without. I like with, but easy job, guys. First thing, cut little. The chocolate is easy to melt chocolate in the water. Put here. The water here is already hot. Put inside like this. This is the more difficult job because we have to spin all the time to, already started. Okay guys, you see, we're gonna have this completely now. Okay, turn it off. This we put separate just to cool down a little bit. We break all this biscuit just by hands like that, Not too small but not too big, like Enrico, my son, gonna like this. Okay, you're gonna have something like this. Okay, it's done. Now take a bowl and we start with butter. Put it inside. Put in minimal. I start. I added the sugar slowly. Now is the 2 eggs inside. Finish. Job is finished, guys. Now is the chocolate time. Everything inside. Mix everything. And now the biscuit. Just like that. I mix again. Enrico gonna love it. Oh, ti piace? Huh? What's this? It's done. Now we need thick baking paper. And you have to put everything. And start to give the salami form. And we start with this. Like this. You see? Try to put this like this and try to give the form. Now we have to, this is the most difficult. Close everything. Goes like this. A tray like this. And this going to in the fridge for 5-6 hours. But in the next couple hours you just take it and give it again with a bit of oil. See you in 6 hours. See you later. Okay guys, this is the salami ready after the fridge. I left it in the fridge about overnight. Plus the beginner 1 hour in the freezer. Is this. You just give a little form with this, icing sugar on the top. This is funny. From the other side as well. From this side. And that's it. The salami is ready, guys. And now I want to show you how beautiful it is. And ta-da! our beautiful salami. Chocolate salami. Enrico gonna be super happy. I'm try it because I cannot wait. I'm on diet, but this is delicious. Guys, chocolate salami is this. If you try have any problem, just leave some comment, answer with sort it out. Anyway,
Finger up and follow us.
if you like this video, finger up
And follow us.
and follow us. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye bye, thank you.
Bye bye.